Welcome to a video by Abron. This is dead weight pressure gauge tester. Here we have got one gauge. We have to check it if you want to calibrate the weights or the gauge. If this is already calibrated gauge, this has a weight. Here we put the oil inside from this. It is already filled oil and the oil is stopcock is there for stopping the oil inside. So you can keep it closed. The weight here it shows 760 grams. If you are putting another weight, let us say I am putting this 760 gram, it becomes total weight becomes 960 plus 760. This is become 1620 weight. And then this is a pressure. You have to keep on increasing the pressure. You can see the pressure gauge has 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 14 kg. You can keep on increasing this, and then with the increase in pressure you can see the weight. The pressure gauge will show you the pressure. So the gauge is working. You can check out. This is for using the glycerin free gauges. That is only for high temperature. This is not a, this is air filled gauges. Air is there, and then the pressure, there is oil inside all this. So whenever there is, you are not using the instrument, keep all the weights outside and release all the pressure so that there is no pressure inside the tubes or in the chamber. And then this, now see this gauge is becoming 0. So now this is a gauge. You can see this is a dead weight pressure gauge tester. You can test the gauges as well as the weights. And see, this is our WhatsApp number is 999 2222 049. WhatsApp number is, and this is our email is abron01@gmail.com. Website is abronexports.com. You can send us email, subscribe to the channel, like the videos. We have got all the pet bottle plants, all machines for testing instrument. Thank you very much.